Guys, I'm not just waking up. I have a toddler, so I've been up for about 5 hours or 4 hours. But I'm just in our room and I'm chilling upstairs. Since we woke up, I have been serving this guy. Oh, and he's just at the age where everything is no, 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 and crying. And this stage, I don't know. My mom would call it younger stage. They do younger, shakara stage, like I'm the only child kind of thing, pampered stage. So I don't know. I'm hiding. I'm just hiding. I'm hiding. Look at my life. Look at my life. I made pancake for him this morning. He didn't like it. And then I made egg, scrambled egg. Dude still didn't like it. And the fried rice we ate yesterday. It's just laying in the kitchen there. And I'm here hiding because I'm like, oh my God, what is all this? Oh guys, my window, it's windy outside, so ignore the banging. Come, let's do a realistic day of a toddler mom. Oh, my toddler is gonna be 2. And did I tell you guys my baby was born July 4th? Yeah, I know. Yeah, so my baby was born July 4th of July. His birthday is next 2 weeks. Next week, let's just say next week Friday. And we are preparing, we're doing something small for him. I need to clean my vanity makeup table. It's a lot of things going on there, and I need to clean and change the bed sheet. So like, I didn't even do my skincare routine this morning. Oh, anyways, let's start our day. Oh my God, I'm tired. Oh my God, it's really windy outside. It's really windy. It's so windy today. Oof, so refreshing. Don't take my shower. Feels good. My face is dry, so let's do my facial routine. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I love tees. Oh my god, I love t-shirts. I mean, I love t-shirt a lot. Multiples. Because why not? Especially when it's, I just can't stand other thing on my body when it's warm. I love a big polo t-shirt. I can't stand anything. Do on the eye cream. My neighbor is walking in his garden. Use the cerebral moisturizer. Cream. Don't forget your ears, guys. Don't forget your ears and your neck. Smells so good. Guys, let's talk about the AI ish. Look, this AI, what is it called? AI content creator thing that is going on social media, all over social media. I'm shocked. What did I say? I am shocked. I'm shocked. It's almost becoming real. Like, if you're a content creator, you can probably see that it's AI. If you edit a lot and you do a lot of editing, you can see that it's AI. But if you don't, and you're just a viewer and you know nothing about editing and content, you're gonna believe it. If I'd say this 8 years ago or 7 years ago, I would believe it, that it was real. I saw this video on Instagram of a girl vlogging her morning routine. Like, she was doing like what I'm doing now, doing her, like she was going out and she was doing a get ready with me kind of thing. It was, oh my god, when I say it looks real, when I say it looks real, I was gagged. I was gagged. I was shocked. I was surprised. Like, the ones that are doing the Christian ones, like Moses, Goliath, like all those ones are a bit funny, but it might not be funny, but they're just, you know, the way they vlog. And okay, but the ones that act like in the moment, like I'm one of you, like I don't think people will sit and vlog like this anymore because the AI is taking over. I even saw, no, my husband sent me one mukbanger, like the man was eating, like eating. I was like, don't know. I don't know. I'm short of words. Words have failed me. Words have failed me. It has failed me. Like, what's going on? What's going on? Because I don't get this anymore. What's going on? Are you people okay with this? Because I'm not. Things are becoming so AI-ish and nothing is gonna be real anymore. I can tell when it's AI, but still, a lot of people can't tell. There are people who cannot tell. This is gonna cost us a lot of things. We're gonna feel it, the whole world. Nobody's gonna know what's real and what's fake. They can even make a video of me like this and do shitty things with it, and nobody's gonna, oh my god. The thought of that really freaks me out. Like it just, ew, like, oh my god. It's gonna get to a point where we can no longer fight for ourselves because we cannot control it anymore. That's where it's going, to a point where we cannot control nothing. Like it's gonna be uncontrollable. We're no longer gonna be able to control nothing. It can really be helpful, but it can also be damaging. You get me? Anyways, whatever you do, please do not forget God. He loves every one of us and he will keep us.